Are you ready to start filming your 3-minute or less video? We've got a few pointers to share with you to help you make your video amazing. To start, we recommend finding your preferred camera or recording device, drafting your initial script and building props, and choosing your filming location. Being prepared from the start will help make filming a breeze. Let's begin by choosing your recording device. You can use a smartphone, tablet, or professional camera to shoot your video. All that is required is that your video be provided in an MP4 format or other approved format and that it is 3 minutes or less. When filming, take some time to stabilize your camera to prevent any movement using a tripod or similar device. Remember to limit zooming as it can be distracting and may take away from your overall video appeal. And don't forget about your audio. Your voice and the voices of your teammates should be clear and intelligible. Now let's talk about your concept. What is your idea? What does it mean for your audience? When scripting, think about the following when trying to convey your idea. Be concise. Think about sharing your idea in the most succinct and direct way possible. Be clear. Make sure all of the details of your idea are arranged in a way that makes sense when speaking with your audience. Use props wisely. Remember that your audience is listening and watching, so be creative and use your props to help explain your concept. Keep it entertaining. The last thing you want is for your audience to tune out. Keep it upbeat, lively, and fun. Remember, you're trying to convince the audience to vote for your video. Now's the time to think about location. Choose a flexible space that you and your team can work with. When choosing your location, make sure to account for 4 key components. Choose a space with adequate lighting or be prepared to provide supplemental lighting. You don't want a dark video. Make sure your filming location is free of ambient noise that could interfere with your video's audio. Try to limit the amount of pedestrian or other traffic that might be a distraction in the background of your video. And if shooting outdoors, make sure that the weather is nice. The last thing you want is rain on your video shoot. Now's the time to process and submit your video. Make sure that your video is supplied in a format that is acceptable for a YouTube upload. Also, double check your video length. It should be 3 minutes or less. Take some time to edit your video if you need to. Small edits can sometimes make a big difference, like including background music or other improvements. Don't forget to view the final product to make sure it's what you and your team want for your video's submission. So now you're ready to submit your video online. Visit www.MoveMiningNextGen.org and, using the online form, upload your video and parental consent form. All submissions are due by November 1st, 2017. And don't forget to share your video online for a chance to win the People's Choice.